Welcome to ALCO Disposal, your trusted partner for residential dumpster rentals in Brick, New Jersey. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, decluttering your garage, or managing a big landscaping project, ALCO Disposal has the perfect dumpster rental solution. At ALCO Disposal, we understand that every project is unique. That's why we offer a range of dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. From small cleanups to major renovations, our residential dumpster rentals make waste management simple and efficient. Our dumpsters are easy to load, with low sides and wide doors, making it convenient to dispose of your waste quickly and safely. And with our friendly and professional team, you can rest assured that you're getting the best service in the area. ALCO Disposal is committed to providing reliable and affordable dumpster rentals to our community in Brick, New Jersey. We pride ourselves on timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule without any hassles. Plus, we take environmental responsibility seriously. We ensure that all waste is disposed of properly, recycling whenever possible to minimize our environmental impact. Ready to get started? Visit us at www.alcodisposal.com dumpster rental brick NJ or call 732-349-5658 to book your residential dumpster rental today. ALCO Disposal, making your cleanup projects in Brick, New Jersey easy and stress-free.